Hey babes! So today's video is all about this cute and quick flat twist style I did. This is part of my beginner series showing you styles you can do on either yourself or others, so keep watching to see how I did it. I have my hair parted in 4 sections with the back 2 braided for later. First, you want to straighten out your middle part in the front because this is where your flat twist will start. From that middle part, you want to make a diagonal part on the side. This creates the 2 sections where your flat twist will go. So you want to make sure these parts are as neat as possible. And now I'm pinning the bottom section down so I can work on the top one. I first add this Palmer's hair and scalp oil. And I make sure my section is detangled. Then I go in with the Aunt Jackie's Braiding Twist Gel and I add that to each side of my section. This stuff is so amazing at laying your hair down and adding sheen to the look. It basically does the style for you. And you don't need a whole lot because it has an extra firm hold. So now you start from the top of the section and do a simple flat twist all the way down. If you don't know how, just watch my hands. This type of twist is way easier than regular twists or braids, so that's why I chose this style as part of my beginner series. And lastly, I add a rubber band to secure the flat twist. This is how it looks so far. For the last section, I made sure to lay down my edges first, and then I do the same process of adding my braiding twist gel, smoothing it out, and doing my last flat twist. I did the other side off camera and this is the result so far. It's very girly and cutesy while requiring minimum effort. And we're already moving on to the back. You can do it however you want and it will look good, but today I decided to add this half wig, which is also a drawstring ponytail. I just pop it on and play with the look to see what I like. I thought the first look was okay, but I wanted more volume at the top to offset the flatness of the twist. So I tried this half up, half down look. And I think that's super pretty as well, but I wanted even more volume because I'm extra like that. So I went for the full ponytail look. And y'all, I really love this. It adds so much character to the style, and the best thing is that I was able to pop it right off at the end of the day. So that's today's look. Like this video and check back tomorrow for the next style in this series. Later, babes.